This is Mrs. Leger. Welcome to our new e-learning biology. Every day you're going to go to Google Classroom. That's just like G112, just like our classroom. Couple things to set up I think would be smart is in your Google folder, make a biology folder so that all your work can be put in the same place. That way, when we have tests and they're open note, good news, you can open your folder and get everything you need. Okay, every day I'm going to have a form that is my attendance. You fill out the form. I'm going to give you some classroom points and take attendance with that. Today we are starting protein synthesis. Every day you're going to have probably a short PowerPoint for me or slides for me, and then some kind of activity. Today's topic, probably the trickiest one. I kind of wish I could walk you through it in person, but here we are. So I'm going to put some other videos up, like Bozeman Science and Amoeba Sisters type, so that you have another reference. That's pretty much it for today. I'm happy we're together again. I'm happy to be in school because I love school, even if it's e-school. So we'll see you soon. All right, bye.